Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to get best deals on AliExpress. So first of all, you should start by exploring your home page. So scroll down, and as you can see, I have some sections. The first section is Big Save. This is the section where you can find items that are on sale, that have a reduced price. And also section Super Deals. This is also section where you can see some items that have some discounts, and also Bulk Saver Hub. But of course, if you want to order something in bulk as well, you can go to searching bar at the top of your screen, then find item that you want to order and apply some filters to find basically the best deals. So you can apply filter sale, also you can apply filter great price, free shipping, for example, if you want to save some extra money. Yes, and also if you open some item, you should look for coupons. So here at the bottom below the price, you can see here coupons. So tap here and you can use those coupons. So and also one thing is that you should not forget about seasonal sales like November 11 or anniversary day of AliExpress or even Black Friday. And finally, you should check ratings of the seller and reviews to specific item to make sure that deal isn't just cheap fake item. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.